Introducing the AIMCO AUET-050 Torque Tester, a versatile and reliable tool designed to accurately measure torque values ranging from 5.0 to 50.0 in lb. Engineered by AIMCO, this advanced torque tester combines precision and user-friendly features to meet the demands of various assembly and quality control applications. With a measurement range of 5.0 to 50.0 in lb, the AUET-050 caters to a diverse spectrum of fastening tasks, ensuring accurate and consistent torque readings. The tester supports multiple transducer models, allowing users to select the most suitable transducer for their specific application. This flexibility enhances the tester's versatility and adaptability. The AUET-050 offers 3 processing modes, including peak, first peak, and track. These modes enable users to capture different torque values based on their testing requirements. The tester's onboard statistical calculations, such as X-bar, STV deviation, CP, and CPK, provide valuable insights into the torque data, helping users assess process capability and identify areas for improvement. Featuring a user-friendly interface with a simple one-button operation, the AUET-050 minimizes training time and allows operators to focus on the task at hand. Its compact and lightweight design makes it portable and convenient for use in various settings. Invest in the AIMCO AUET-050 Torque Tester and experience precision, versatility, and reliability in torque measurement. Elevate your assembly and quality control processes to the next level with this advanced tool.